What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So we have a final review video on the 09 Corvette from AMT, and as you know, this is the nail polish version. I didn't do any update videos on it because it was such a very simplified kit, and I took all the pictures you need to see for it, so I'll provide those in this video also, such as maybe the interior. But as you see from outside, this thing actually looks fantastic. I'm really glad how it turned out. It is a curbside, obviously, so there's no engine. It was just a quick, simple, easy kit to do because I had a little bit of time extra before the upholstery build starts, which actually starts next day. So there'll be a video on that tomorrow, so stay tuned. But here's the final on the Corvette. I actually got this done during the weekend, and I just didn't have time to do the final. And yeah, but here we are. So the color, you all know what the color it is. It's obviously, the nail polish. I done a full tutorial video of me using nail polish, so you want to check out those videos. There's a link to the nail polish painting video, and then I'll probably link to the 2K clear process a little bit later. But as you see, nail polish looks fantastic. This is the whole bottle, and it's called Moody Red. You can use any kind of nail polish. This is just nail polish I got at Walmart for 89 cents, something like that. So, or 98 cents. So, like $1, you want to say. And as you see, it looks fantastic. I use my 2K clear on top of it. As you see, the 2K clear does not affect it at all. The clear does not, the nail polish does not affect the clear coat, or the clear coat does not affect the nail polish. So, they work just fine together. But as you see, it looks really good. I did a little bit of polishing because I had a little bit of orange peel in it on the hood, but other than that, I didn't polish the whole thing because the whole thing looks fantastic. Just the hood and one part on the roof, I had a little bit of orange peel, but that's it. So it's just about seeing those out a little bit and polish it, and I just did a wax on, wax off on the entire body, and it looks really, really good. The back windows, the back window and the tail lights, I tinted because I kind of wanted on tinted, which is obviously the N.Y.S smoke X19. Really fun. It's just really amazing for tinting windows. N.Y.S also has it in a spray can, just in case you don't use the airbrush. They do have smoke in a spray can. It works just as well, I believe. I had not used the spray can version, but it's the same stuff, I believe. So, but that is 4 coats of smoke on the windows and the tail lights, because I kind of wanted the window to be pretty dark on the Corvette. I was thinking doing 5, but I didn't want that dark. I didn't want it to be limo tint. But 4 coats is more than enough, and as you can see, the tail lights look fantastic. The interior is, I'll put some pictures on your screen right now. Not much to the interior. It's pretty simplified. It's just black. Most of these 09, to 012 or 13 Corvettes, they're pretty simplified interiors. They're all black or two-tone black and like a gray. I just did simplified black because I thought all black looks really good on this car, especially with the color. Now, the only thing I don't like about this kit, these kind of kits, is the seats. AMT does the seats vinyl, so, like the same stuff as the tires, and those things are paint because I paint them, and the paint I use, they're still sticky. So if you want to paint them, make sure you use like a acrylic, like a water-based paint. I'm pretty sure that'll work best, but I use a Mamo paint, I believe, on them. I'm not really sure, but they were so sticky when I put them in, but it doesn't matter. You're not going to touch them ever again. But yeah, keep that in mind, or don't paint them at all. So they're already black, but whatever. That's the only thing about these kind of seats, these kind of kits, what AMT does, these curbside kits, simplified curbside kits, you want to call them. They just do the seats vinyl, which I don't really care for, but whatever. The rest of the interior is flocked with the flocking carpet. Looks really good. Dashboard, steering wheel, door panels is all flat black, and the decals look fantastic. What AMT provides for you. So yeah, it's a very simplified interior. Yeah, as they are back then. They're simple and super and clean and super easy. But that's pretty much about it for the interior. But other than that, that's pretty much about the whole build. The wheels, I did replace the wheels because I simply did not like the wheels what these cars come with back then. They're really weird and just really simplified. So these are parts box wheels. I believe these wheels are from the Ford F100 pickup. If you remember that Ford F100 pickup I done from Foos, I did my own version on it. I think these are the wheels from it, and I think they look fantastic. I kept them chrome because I thought, you know, didn't want this car to be too dark, so I kept them chrome and the brakes behind them, and I think it looks pretty good. I really like how the wheels turned out. But other than that, that's really about it. It's, like I mentioned, it's a super simplified kit, and it looks fantastic. Again, nail polish. You can do your models in nail polish. As you see, nail polish, it just looks really good at the end. So if you're under the like a budget-friendly build, you want to keep the build like under a certain amount of how much you want to spend on it, definitely use nail polish. If you have an airbrush set up, definitely use nail polish. It's, you know, it's a really cheap paint, and it really does turn out really good at the end. Just keep in mind, nail polish, it is a little funky sometimes. Sometimes if you are painting the hood separate, make sure you paint the body the same exact time, because nail polish, it does tend to leave like a weird color at different parts on the body if you don't paint them correctly, or paint one part one more coat than the other. It does make a difference. So make sure you paint the whole body the same exact coat and the same exact time. Just keep that in mind. And also, if you prime the body gray, it does darken the nail polish quite a bit. The primer does affect the nail polish. So you want the color to be a little bit darker, like I want on this Corvette, than the actual bottle. So I use gray primer on purpose, because I want the color to be a little bit darker than the bottle. But if you want the color to be exactly the same as the bottle, make sure you prime the body white. Or if you want to, you don't have to prime it, because nail polish just sticks no matter what. It doesn't matter using mega thinner, because you do have to use mega thinner to thin the nail polish. Just do a test spoon. As you see, I did not prime the test spoon. It stuck right to the spoon no matter what. I didn't even prime it, and it sticks. So just keep that in mind. So if you want the color to be darker, prime it, you know, gray or black. If you want it, you know, as light, prime it white, obviously, or you don't have to prime it at all. It's totally up to you. But other than that, that's pretty much about it just for this build. Super simplified, and it just kind of get me, you know, something to do between what I did last, which is the 4GT, and, you know, between the Pro Sheet Group build, which starts very soon. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll provide a link in the description to both videos of me painting this car with the nail polish and 2K Clarinet if you want to see that. But other than that, guys, that'll be it for this video, and until my next video, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.